It's a cat. It's a lady. It's Ask a Cat Lady. Today we have with us Bud, and this is Petal, and this is Pistol. What's the sound I hear? It's the sound of love. It's Super Kittens. Hello. Mwah. Mama's in the other room. They don't trust me. Today's question comes from Adam on the interwebs, and he wants to know, my kitten Lenny I adopted at this shelter. He's very loving daddy's boy, and he has a weird habit of making a nest out of my clothes while I'm still wearing them, and almost sucking on my t-shirt. Question mark, question mark, question mark. He seems fine other than that. What's up with that? Okay, here we go. Well, I was orphaned at the side of the road, without my siblings and without hope, but you stepped in and gave me a home. Oh, oh, I can't play with your fingers on the strings. Well, I was taken from my mom too soon. Without a nipple you develop issues. You are my therapeutic substitute. I suck because I love you. If you love someone, you suck on them too. Oh my. Please forgive me if I make a nest inside your underwear or in your dress. If I try to nurse without a breast. It's compulsive, it's a comforter. It makes me happy, so don't be disturbed if I make out with your boxers. I suck because I love you. When you love someone, you suck on them too. I suck because I love you. When you love someone, you suck on them too. That's so bad. Go to sleep. You make the internet worth watching. You.